In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make unusual flower made in Romanian point lace technique. For work you need mat, a ball of yarn, ready cord, pins, scissors, sewing needle and crochet hook. I have already pinned my cord in the shape of the round. Then sew the beginning and the end of the cord. We divide our round on 8 parts. And let's begin the work. I begin the work from this point. With a needle, go through the loop. And the fill and stitch is ready. We skip 3 loops and work with the 4th one. In this case, I skip 2 loops and work with the 3rd. I have done all stitches. Now wrap the stitch. Now I am working with all threads. With the needle, go through the next stitch. With the needle, go through the next stitch. With the needle, go through the next stitch. And so on. I have done the 2nd round. The base is ready. Let's make small spiders. Now I am working with 3 threads, 1, 2 and 3. Wrap them. Here how it looks. Like this. Work in round from the bottom to the up. Pull a little bit, work with the next one. I pin in the middle. From the up to the down. And from the down to the up. Working round. Pull a little bit. The second one is almost ready. Work with the next one. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. The small roses are ready. The work is done. This is the front side. Let's take a look at the back side. Don't miss our new video tutorials on YouTube channel and visit our store. Thanks for watching.